Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but yeah, life happened. I got busy in a lot of things. Recently, I just ordered few books from bookchor, and I just thought I'd do a quick unboxing for you guys. I received the book in this fancy box. I really like the design, and it's not the same boring design brown package. This is a very nice quirky design. So let me quickly unbox the books and show you what I've purchased. And that's a decent packaging. Usually from bookstore I usually get all the books individually wrapped, but I don't know why this time it's not individually wrapped. I had ordered all pre-loved books, so that's why you can see a little bit of coloration. I'm totally fine with that. These are not something that bothers me. So the books that I ordered are, let me show you. So these are the books that I ordered. So this is Penguin English Library Wives of the Dows. This is an actually out of print book in this special edition. So as soon as I saw this on bookchor, I was like, I'm buying this. This is very hard to find. I mean, you will find the story, but in this particular edition, it's not that it's a bit of rare. So I purchased this one. Next one is Dracula by Bram Stoker. This is the normal Penguin black classic book. So this is the back spine. This is the infamous back spine. This was almost new book, but this has a lot of creases. The condition of the book which they quoted was almost new, but doesn't look almost new, but this is still fine because black spine, even if I buy a new book, these creases are something that will get damaged very soon, and these creases will always be there, so that's totally fine. I can work with it. Yeah, the next book is the famous Rebecca by Daphne D. Maurier. So this is Virago Modern Classics book. This is very famous. Verity, if you know Verity by Holland Coover, they say this is a lot better than that one, and this is a classic in this design. In Amazon, it's always above 400. I rarely see this below 300, and in bookchor I got it for 245. It's still expensive, but this book is something that the price is not reducing. I've been tracking this book for more than 8 months, the prices, and it doesn't reduce. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll just go ahead and buy it in bookchor. The last book is Kim by Rudyard Kipling. So this is again a Penguin English Library collection. This book condition is quite nice. It's quite new, and I can see it's very nice. So yeah, that's it. So these are the 4 books that I got from bookchor. So let me give you a sneak peek of my library also, home library. So these are the books that I have. I have more books, and if you guys want to have a book tour, let me know. I will show that as well. Thank you.